and welcome to the latest drone video update on the Compass Margaritaville Hotel project in Flagler Beach. The new hotel is located in the heart of Flagler Beach and is rapidly transforming, taking on its final shape. The three-story structure is taking shape with 100 guest rooms designed for ultimate comfort and adventure. You can see the progress on the Salty Rim restaurant, which will feature a stunning rooftop bar. The outdoor pool area and fitness center are also well underway, promising a blend of relaxation and activity for future guests. This hotel is set to become a key landmark in our community, scheduled to open in early 2025. The Compass Margaritaville Hotel is poised to offer a unique experience that combines modern amenities with the laid-back charm of Flagler Beach. Stay tuned for more updates as this exciting project continues to develop.